Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can add Mailchimp to your Big Cartel store. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on my Big Cartel dashboard. So the first thing that you need to do guys is go right here. You're gonna find all of the sections. So there is the dashboard, orders, products, discounts, and lastly account. Go ahead and click on accounts. And then once you're here in your account section, scroll all the way down until you find apps. So right here, you're going to find your installed apps. And under it, you're going to find browse apps and integrations. Go ahead and click on browse apps and integrations. And then you will be directed to this page. So once you're here, go ahead and click on marketing and promotion apps. Once you click here, you're going to find all of the applications related to marketing and promotion. And just go ahead and scroll down until you find Mailchimp. So this is, go ahead and click on it. And then you're going to be in this page. So you can read these informations and details about Mailchimp. Once you finish reading, go ahead and click on get started. And then you need to allow Mailchimp to use some permissions. So go ahead and click on allow. And now, as you can see, guys, it's loading. So lastly, go ahead and click on connect your store to Mailchimp and then follow the steps until you link your Mailchimp account to your Big Cartel. So this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.